What's up, guys? So I live in Iowa, and right now we have a blizzard warning. Figured out to get some of this on film. Can't really tell in the car, but the snow is really coming down. It's almost whiteout conditions. It's pretty nuts. Visibility is pretty bad. Surprisingly, it's looking pretty good on the camera though. Yep, got some blizzard conditions. School is closed today. My job was closed today. They said the snow is going to come down. The snow is only going to be about 4 to 6 inches. But the wind is going to be the problem. 45-mile-an-hour winds. And the temperature is going to drop. Right now it's about 32 degrees. But the temperature is going to drop. It's going to get in the negatives. And the rest of the week is going to be in the negatives. But yeah, you can just see how the cars just start disappearing. Once I get up here and go around this corner where the wind has changed directions, it's really gonna be whiteout conditions. I'm sliding all over the road actually. Got a piece of ice stuck in my back tire. You hear it tapping. Yeah, this winter has been pretty rough here in Iowa. And with COVID and everything, me and my wife don't go anywhere. I go to work, but that's about it. So now I'm stuck at home. So I figured, well, maybe I'll go for a drive, see how bad it really is. And it's pretty bad. Yeah, being in the car though doesn't really show very much. Standing in it is different. Alright, let's go around this corner. Look at that van sliding. See, I'm in my Z34, so I'm pretty heavy and low to the ground, so it's not so bad for me. Like there's cars turning out of the parking lot up there. You can't even really see them. My phone camera must be better than my own eyes because it's pretty whited out. You can see about half, not even half a mile, a quarter of a mile. Visibility is pretty much zero. Go down this road up here. And the van is stuck again. sliding everywhere. See, it'd be better if I had a GoPro and I could bounce it to the outside of my car. You could really see the snow. It's definitely coming down. Those SUVs, they just track right through this stuff. Alright, I'm gonna get off this main road. Oh, sliding into the ditch. Traction. But I figured I would show you guys this. Let's see if I can roll my window down. Yeah, there you go. Now we can cover the snow. Snow is pretty thick. Yeah, there you go. Zoom in on it. Look at that snow. It's coming down. There you go. That's what it's like living in a blizzard. Or living in an area where blizzards hit. If anything happens that's more cooler than what's happening, I'll update it. But here you go.